Hi guys, today we are gonna see Target supermarket, how it looks inside and what are the things they're selling here. And here you can see on the left side there's a Starbucks. In all the supermarkets they'll have Starbucks or a Subway or a McD included here. And here we have a wine and beer section. Unlike India where we have a separate liquor stores outside, here they'll sell all these along with in supermarket. This is a bakery section where you can see all the cakes. Here we can see some freshly prepared food. These all are milk products, cheese and some extra things. Here we have some chicken. Unlike India, here everything is packed skinless, boneless, so you can buy directly. And this is pork, and here we have beef. We have avocados here and tomatoes, pineapple, watermelon, lime, oranges. These all are grown in Mexico for cheap price, and they import from Mexico and they sell here. Here we have banana. They're sold in pounds. 1 pound equal to half kg. Here we have all the leafy vegetables which are already packed, and these are pre-packed breakfast and lunch which you can eat. Here we have onions. 1 lb is like $1. Here we have Tropicana orange juice. And Starbucks coffee powder which you can buy and make coffee at your home. We have different kinds of milk made from almonds, cashew and different for lactose intolerant people who cannot drink normal milk. It's the same. These all are also same like pre-packed foods. Here we have a creamer which you can use while making a coffee. Here we have a chocolate milk, and there are two types of milk which are sold here. One is a whole milk through which we can make curd, and the other one is 2% fat milk which is only used for drinking milk. We cannot make curd with that. And we have some chocolates, and the store was just opened now, so when I'm entering here all the lights are being on. Here we have pizza already prepared and kept in a freezer. We can take it out and heat and eat. Here we have different flavors of ice cream and some bakery items like buns, bread, and some other things. Here we have pizza crust through which we can make pizza at home, and this all section belongs to pizza and pasta. We have pizza sauce and toppings for that. This is a Target owned brand, so they sell their own brand so make to get more profits. Here we have a CVS pharmacy. It is a pharmacy like Apollo Pharmacy and MedPlus in India, so it's also same inside the Target they have. And here we have a brush section where they have all the electric brush, normal brush, floss and other liquids. Here we have clothing section, and here we have some electronic section where they're selling shaver and trimmers. And here we have all the shaving creams and liquids, and these are the body washes and deodorants. This whole section is full of Tide, different products of Tides which we use for laundry. this section is of different other brands. Here we have a machine. Unlike India, the products here doesn't have any MRP or anything. So if you want to find the price of it, you need to check the label which is kept on the shelves. Otherwise you have to scan it here, so it will tell you the price. So the store can keep a different price each day and they can sell it on a profit for them in India, but we have a MRP and the companies and the store should have to sell according to the maximum retail price. Here we have TVs which are very cheaper than India. This is a 75-inch LG 4K UHD TV for just $800, and this is a 65-inch TV which is just $500, which is equal to 38 or 40,000 in India. And here we have some branded collectibles. They're good for decoration in the houses. And this whole aisle belongs to books. And this is like a home decoration kind of a section, like a bedding section, and bathing sections will come next. This is a bedding section. For bedrooms you have different kinds of pillows, carpets, blankets, comforter. Here you can see there are different types of curtains for a bedroom. Different brands of pillows. These all are Target own brand room essentials. Now this is a bathing section. You can see there are many things for shampoo and body wash dispenser, and for soap holders. You have some towels and curtains for the bathroom. These big boxes of our laundry, you can take clothes in it. And this is automotive section, where we have all the cleaning essentials for cars and liquids like engine oil and all those things. This is a stationery section. You can see here one book costs around 99 cents, and all the things related to office and stationery will be sold here. This is a cooking section. You can see there are many tawas, plates, cups and water bottles which are being sold here. So this is the store is like a complete whole section. You will find everything related to house and anything. Here these are electronic cooking items. Unlike India, where we use micro oven to cook, here micro is used only for heating. This is the micro oven. For cooking, there is a separate oven which is already linked in the house to gas stove. So these are only for heating. These are toasters and coffee makers. This is a toaster and waffle mixer. Here we have different cutlery for kitchen, and you can see the prices here. Here we have electric cookers, and this is a bread toaster. You can use as an oven also. The prices range from $30 to $200, $300 depending upon the brand and the features. These are the gift cards. Here you can take a gift card and you need to take to the cashier, and they'll activate the gift card, and then only you can use that. and some other gift cards you can activate from $10 to $500 in same gift card. Here we have some greetings for Halloween, birthdays, Christmas, New Year, and every other occasion. This is the greeting which I liked it, so you can see the quotation here. And this is IKEA kind of a bedroom design and a living room. You can see here how good it is. It has all the things required in a room. If you like anything, you can take from there and you can bill it and you can buy it. Here you can see a dog, not a real dog. This is a Target mascot which they use for promotion purposes. This is how it looks. Here we have some $3 items. And this is how the store looks. These are very big stores which are equal to a big apartment in India, as there are a lot of space in USA. The stores are very big, and like for every road there is a Walmart, Target, and some other things. So in a big city there will be around some 100 to 200 Walmart, Target stores. And these are some extra collectibles you can see, and this is a Lego collection. This is not for sale, it's just for promotion purpose. And this is a electronics area. You can see the new branded Apple smartwatch they kept here just to see. This is the watch which I bought, Series 644mm, which costs around $465 along with tax. Here you can see Samsung Note 20 5G, and this whole section is of electronics. Here we have Nintendo. Thank you guys for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.